Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I think I'm overworked. I worked for 13 days straight and then I had another 11 consecutive days of work. I almost booked the client on that one day off, but I'm glad I didn't because otherwise I would have worked 25 days straight without knowing. Anyways, I need to be more careful with my own schedule and health. I'm curious, what is your definition of overwork with whatever you do for a living? I would love to hear that in the comments below. So my body was achy, so I decided to take a CBD bath. A few months ago, I reviewed the CBD bath salts that I bought at a skincare convention. I was disappointed because it was messy. Then the manufacturer happened to see the video and realized it was a bad batch and took them off the shelf. They reached out to me and sent me the replacements to fulfill their customer satisfaction guarantee. That's integrity. Thank you so much. So I gave this lavender one a try. It smells so nice when you open the packet. And will it dissolve well this time? Yes, no more mess whatsoever. I didn't feel like meditating in the bath, so I tried this Aduro Lounger Universal Adjustable Neck Mount. I got this for my Korean spa buddy for Christmas, and I got one for myself too. I think I wanted this for myself more to use at a Korean spa, but I was too embarrassed to use this alone, so I wanted her to do this with me. This thing's amazing. It holds your phone while you watch a video or whatever, hands-free while you're sitting or lying down. It's pretty light and it doesn't hurt because it has this soft cushion for the neck. You can adjust the angle in all directions. For bath, I make sure the camera window is shut. Then I put my phone in a snack bag and put it in a holder. I have iPhone 6s and it fits fine, but when you stretch out the base, it only stretches to one side. So if you have the phone sideways, this connector isn't in the center anymore and it's lopsided and not very stable. It works way better if you keep it vertical. I feel safer this way too because there are grips for the top and bottom of the phone. When it's sideways, there's more chance of the phone slipping out of the holder into the water. Because there's no metal piece, I could submerge it in water, no problem, and it worked perfect. I soaked for about 30 minutes and I slept really well. And my body is less achy for sure. In fact, I might do it again tonight. So again, thanks to CBD Essentials for sending me the replacements. No more mess and now I can recommend them. You can check out their CBD products in the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.